I'm so sorry that I had to do this to everybody. I don't mean to offend anyone. I really don't mean to offend anybody. I just look so good. What am I supposed to do with this? How am I supposed to? I can't flex on nobody like this. The audacity.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established.
What is up, guys? Too loud. What's up, guys? It's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Hey, sis. Today, we're doing a little dress up with me video. Let me tell you what the purpose is. One, sometimes you just want to try on like cute outfits and just like, you know, feel yourself. But also, I am soon to be cleaning out my closet. I will probably film that process for you guys too, because I filmed me decluttering my makeup collection. So like, might as well film decluttering my clothes too. So there's a few things in my closet, like in my clothing collection, that one, I have not tried on since I gained a little bit of weight, you know? So I want to see how these things fit me before I go through and declutter my closet and throw everything out or like sell it on Poshmark or whatever. So that's what we're doing today. We're trying on some of my clothes because one, sometimes you just want to feel cute and inspired, and two, I need to see how this stuff is fitting me now, or if I still like some of these items. Maybe I've had them for a while, or I don't really wear them and I want to like see them on me one good time before I go through and make my judgment and make cuts. Y'all ever watch Dancing Dolls? When Miss D will be like, all right, it's time to make cuts. That's how I feel right now. So I've got like a bunch of jeans that I never wear and haven't tried on in a long time. These used to all be like too big for me. But now that I've gained weight, they kind of, well, this one kind of fits So for me with jeans, my main thing is, one, does it fit, or my main priority is how I look in it. If my legs look nice, my butt looks nice, because I'm shallow. I'm as deep as a puddle sometimes. My second priority is comfort. Sometimes I'm willing to sacrifice comfort if it's super cute, but not very often. If I walk right here, it's because I have a mirror right here. You see this? What am I supposed to do with this? You can't like, how am I supposed to? I can't flex on nobody like this. The audacity. The audacity. Ridiculous. They fit good and they're long enough. I hate, oh, y'all heard all that stuff crack? Oh my God. I hate that there's like an ankle cutoff jean trend going on. I don't like high waters, like cut it out with that. I always have to roll it up because I don't like that awkward length. This is a really good length, but I could only wear this with a belt because, well, no, because sometimes, you know, when you have a belt on, it'll like, you know, like gap. But these are Levi's, so if I don't keep them, I could always get them tailored because I don't have many regular, like these aren't skinny. These are just regular straight leg jeans. These aren't super tight. These aren't like, you know, baggy loose boyfriend jeans. I don't have many plain regular jeans, so it would cost me less money to just get these tailored than to get a new pair of jeans. But now I'm getting way too deep, so let's go to the next pair. My beauty room is gonna be a mess after this. Oh wait, hold up, because I kind of like this. I usually like light wash jeans over dark wash jeans. These are, I don't think they are, but they feel kind of low rise on me right now. But I like these. I like this. And look at the back. Not gapping, but just like the other ones, they're straight leg. They're not skinny. You know, I don't always have to be in a pair of skinny jeans. But these kind of have like a weird length on them. They like kind of like come out at the ankle because my ankles aren't thick. So I would just like roll them up one. But these are kind of cute, huh? But yeah, these are normal. I don't have many. Or I thought I didn't. Apparently I do have just normal straight leg non-skinny jeans. I'm just ignoring them and avoiding them and not wearing them, apparently. It doesn't accentuate the booty very much, which is kind of one of my priorities, but that's okay because like, it's not like every single day. On a daily basis, sometimes I'm just running to Target or Walmart and I don't necessarily want to look like, you know, Kim Kardashian. Ew, gray on gray. I should have tried this on with something else, but oh, hold up. These fit kind of nice, but I'm afraid I'm going to have an issue in the back. Regular straight leg again, not skinny, but look at the back. if I have a baby, I can literally just fit my baby right back here. And then maybe that's why I should hold on to these jeans. So if I have a baby and I don't gain much weight, I can just put my baby in the back of these and then, come on baby, you know, just walk around. I'm gonna have to belt shop before I can decide if I want to keep these or not. Now I'm trying on this dress that I have not worn in like 2 whole summers. And I've gained weight. I've gained weight since the last 2 summers, obviously. And so I'm afraid to see what my belly kind of looks like in this, if I'm being real with y'all. Actually, it does not look as bad as I thought it would. See, here's the thing. A lot of times, our bodies are worse than we think it is, or like sometimes just different from what we think. I have good body image, but I do know sometimes I think that my stomach is bigger than it actually is. So like in this dress, everything's perfectly fine, you know? It's like, what was I even bugging about? I feel like so sleek and nice in this dress. I'm not wearing a bra, so let's like not focus on that. But if I don't want my stomach to look too crazy, I can kind of like pull the dress up a little bit here, and then boom. And now what? Now who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? I gotta go out later. I think I'm gonna wear this dress because I like it. No joke, I haven't put this on in 2 summers, and I'm still snatched. Y'all know when the Grinch was trying on outfits and he was in the mirror like, does anybody know what I'm talking about?
Oh. That's it, I'm not going.
Probably not. I sound crazy. That's okay, I'll be crazy. Now I know there's a decent amount of people against what I'm about to step out in. So just know that I'm aware that I'm the unpopular opinion in this situation. Ooh, it's getting hot. Okay, I know a lot of people do not agree with me, but I actually like what people call like weather confused, like a long sleeve shirt with like shorts. Let me tell you why before you start acting stupid. I'm anemic, so my iron's really low. I am always cold. If it is like a hot day outside and it like drops to like 68, 70 at night, I'm going to be cold. Like, I'm always cold. If it's 70, I'm probably cold and I need a sweater or a long sleeve shirt on. So on like summer nights, spring nights where it was hot during the day, but it's getting cooler because it's nighttime, it's perfect for me because my legs don't even get cold, but my arms get cold. So it's perfect for me to have on a cute pair of shorts with a cute long sleeve top or bodysuit. That's perfect for me. This shirt is from Forever 21 and it's actually so low cut that I had to put bobby pins in it, but that's okay. I said bobby pins, I mean safety pins. Can you tell? A little bit, you see, like the silver? I had to put safety pins in it. I wore it on New Year's and I looked so good on New Year's. Like, my face was beat on New Year's, period. But yeah, so I was trying this on to see if I still like this bodysuit because I haven't worn it since New Year's, and I do. And I like it with these shorts too. So, next, let's do like a streetwear outfit because I got this shirt that's like super streetwear and I don't really wear it. So let's see. So this shirt is like super streetwear. I feel like Tiana Taylor in this outfit, which is a good thing because she's dope. This shirt is like super streetwear. Let me tell you something. I've never worn this out ever, which is why it's still white. That's the only reason it's still white, but I never reach for it, which is why I'm thinking maybe I should sell it on Poshmark and get a new home for it. I never, ever reach for it. And so I'm like, what do I do? So yeah, I don't know. See, I really like it. And one time I tried it on and I like tied it up like that and it was really cute. I really like it. Even like with these pants, like, I think it's so cute, but I don't ever wear it. Why do I buy stuff and not wear it? I think sometimes like I'm looking for material things to comfort me and that's why I shop so much. But this is the end result of that. A closet halfway full of stuff that I don't wear. I don't like to wear bras unless it is absolutely necessary, and for obvious reasons with this dress it's absolutely necessary. Now this dress I have not worn since last summer and it's warm in here now again. I had the opportunity to wear it and I just haven't gone to it. So I'm like, do I still like it? And now that I put this bad boy on, of course I still like it. Look at my body. Are you kidding me right now? You guys, I love myself so much that sometimes I look in the mirror and I'm like, I cannot believe I'm this lucky. I feel like a city girl in this. Period. Y'all wanna know what's really gonna throw this off? A clean pair of sneakers and a watch. Hold up. I ain't even gonna try the sneakers on because y'all can't see my feet and I'm not backing up the camera anymore. What? Now who has something to say? I love myself. I look like a tall glass of milk. Milk does the body good. If you watch RuPaul's Drag Race, you get the reference. Actually, even if you don't watch Drag Race, you still can get the reference, I guess. Remember when I said I was wearing the gray dress earlier? I lied. Like, come on. I'm so sorry that I had to do this to everybody. I don't mean to offend anyone. I really don't mean to offend anybody. I just look so good. This next dress I wore to homecoming in my 11th grade year, and I still have it. I don't know if it fits. I haven't worn it since that day. I've gained a lot of weight since then. Not a bad thing, just a fact. I've gained a lot of weight since then. So I think if it does still fit, I'll fill it out even better. I'll insert a picture of me in it. Woo! This is tight. Hold up. Woo, jeez. Okay. Come on, get it together. Ooh, hold up. Because I was thinking about selling this, but no. I might have to keep this. I don't know. Half of me really loves this dress, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this right now. I really like it, but I'm not sure if it's my style anymore because I have small boobs, but I still like things with like V cuts or like low cuts. I still like to show my clavicle, is that what it's called? Like my neck area off, and so I don't like that it's so closed up and square up here. But I look at the sides, look at the booty. Oh wow, this is so good. Like, it's so good, and I don't know why I don't absolutely love it, but it's so good. I know my bum looks nice though. The booty look good. The booty look good. Yeah, I like this dress. I don't know if I love this dress. I don't know if it'll be a keep or delete. I don't know yet. Tell me in the comments what y'all think, because I just don't know. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I could do this literally all day with the clothes in my closet, but we can't have a 45-minute long video of me trying on clothes. It's hot in here, so please excuse me while I brush my wig. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, leave me a like, comment. Please let me know what you thought about the pieces that I tried on in this video down below, because I don't know what I'm keeping or getting rid of, but I'm decluttering my closet within like the next 2 weeks, and I'll be filming that. So I really need help because I don't know what to keep and what to get rid of. And I'll probably be selling some stuff from my Poshmark. So knowing the way y'all act, y'all probably gonna be telling me to get rid of stuff so I can sell it and you can purchase it on my Poshmark. But hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from.